Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Melissa Viljoen and I would like to enter into the competition where you can win 50k for the blind. So I'd like to introduce you guys to my son, Leo. He is blind. Why crying? Okay, I'm gonna show the people that you can't see. As you guys can see, and he likes to laugh for crazy stuff. As you guys can see, he is blind and he can't see, but he can do normal tasks like drinking water. Do you know where the phone is? You guys can see that. I just hand him the things and then he can see. Don't you want to tell the people what else you can do as a blind person?
I can yell, I can speak, and I can do all types of things. I can run, but I just can't see where I'm running.
So do you run how? With a stick or you just run into the holes or what?
Sometimes my mother guides me where to run, and sometimes when I'm at school,
School for the blind.
when I'm at my special school, and then I run around with my stick, and yeah.
And what else? How do you do your reading and stuff? Don't laugh. It's a serious video.
I can't law. I can't read.
You can't read.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah guys, this is my son. Let me just show you guys a better view because you can't see the phone. Yeah, so we'd like to win the 50k. Thank you. Bye. Verkeer kan.